Hi everyone, welcome to maths video class 6th exercise 12b last question. Okay, so last question is this, which is same as question number 6. Then 12 I'll be explaining, please watch carefully. Okay, so exercise 12b, this is the question. So just bring this to simple form. This is in mixed form. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. Okay, so as it is, this question 2y plus 5x upon 3y minus 5x is equal to 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. Now here cross multiplication. So when we, what you have to do here? Cross multiplication. Okay, 2 multiplied by this bracket and 5 multiplied by this bracket. So 2 with this and 5 with this. Okay, so you can see here. So 2 2s are, now opening of the bracket, 2 2s are 4 and this y plus 2 5s are 10x is equal to 5 3s are 15. This y as it is 50 means actually we are multiplying 5 multiplied by 3y. So 5 3s are 15 and y minus 5 5s are 25 and this x. Okay, so we have removed the bracket here. 2 2s are 4y 4y plus 2 5s are 10x is equal to 5 3s are 15 y minus 5 5s are 25 and x. Okay, now bring all x terms to LHS and all y terms to RHS by transposition method. So this is 10x and which is other x is this. So since this was minus 25x, it became plus 25x is equal to 15y. So this is 15y. I told you x should be transposed to left and y should be transposed to right. So 10x, this minus 25 becomes plus 25 is equal to 15y was already here in RHS. This plus, no sign means plus. So plus 4y became minus 4y. So now since they are like terms, you can subtract or add. So 10 plus 25, 35x is equal to 15 minus 4, 11 and this y as it is. Okay, and then 35 I have transposed to RHS. 35 multiplied by x. So you know when it is multiplication it becomes division. So 11 upon 35 and then x was here. I have brought this, we have transposed this y to LHS. 11 multiplied by x, it became divided by y. 11 multiplied by y, it became divided by y here. So x, all the alphabets, that is variables, we have brought to LHS and numbers we have shifted to RHS. Okay, so this is the first answer which we have got, that is x is to y is 35 is to 11. Okay, now we'll see the second one. If x, find x if y is equal to 70. So take the first answer. First answer is x upon y is equal to 11 by 35. Okay, so x upon 70. Why? Because value of y is given here 70, but what is x? I don't know because I have to find here x. Y is given 70, so I have taken here instead of this y I have written 70 because value of y is given 70 is equal to 11 by 35. Now keep x on LHS because we have to find x and transpose 70 to RHS. It is divided by 70, so it will become multiplied by 70. So 70 multiplied by 11 upon 35. 35 was already in the denominator. What we have done? This is x divided by 70, so x multiplied by 70 here we have done. Okay, 35 ones are 35 2s are 2 11s are 22. So here we have got value of x as 22. So next is find value of y if x is equal to 33. So x by 5 is equal to 11 by 5. So wherever x is there, substitute 33. So instead of x, write down 33 upon y is equal to 11 by 35. Keep x, y. Now here, what I have done is cross multiplication because y is in the denominator. I want it in the numerator to find out value of y. So y multiplied by 11, that is 11 multiplied by, this is just cross multiplication. 33 multiplied by 35 is equal to 11 multiplied by y. So keep y here and transpose this 11 to other side. So this is multiplied by 11, so it will become divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11 threes are. So 3 35s are 105. Okay, so we have value of x. We have found first, second and third. Okay children, now next very important part is exercise 12c. So if we'll go through the exercise, you will notice that all this exercise 12c is combination of exercise 12a and 12b. So things are given. Okay, so if you don't have textbook, I'm showing questions. So this exercise you have to try by yourself, because this exercise is nothing but combination of 12a and 12b. I'll be explaining few questions like question number 10, because last year many had problem of question number 10. Alright, rest all the questions you can solve, because they are the questions which you already know. Those types of questions you have already solved in exercise 12a and 12b. Alright, so here exercise 12c, question number 10th. The length of two ropes are in the ratio 7:5. Find the length of shorter rope if the longer one is 22.5 meters. And second is longer rope if the shorter is 9.8. Means there are two ropes. Okay, one is shorter and other is longer. And the ratio of the length of the shorter and longer is 7:5. So since it is 7 is greater, so longer is, so length of longer rope is to length of shorter rope. Okay, easy. Ratio of length of longer rope is to length of shorter rope is 7:5. Okay, so and find length of shorter rope if longer one is 22.5. So how to solve, we'll see here. So length of longer rope is to length of shorter rope is equal to 7:5. Same thing I am telling you. Why I have written length longer, this is L and this is S. L means this is length, and this is longer and this is shorter. So why I have written longer here first, because this 7 is greater than 5, means 7 is longer than 5. So this came first and then shorter. Longer, shorter. Okay, for this reason, nothing else. So length of longer is given, longer rope is given, 22.5 is to length of shorter we have to find out is equal to 7:5. Then product of extremes is equal to product of means. Okay, so product of extremes is equal to product of means. After that, L of S, that is length of shorter rope, is equal to 22.5 multiplied by 5 upon 7. So these do not get cancelled. By mistake I have cancelled. So multiply 22.5 multiplied by 5, I get 112.5 upon 7. After division I get 16.07 meters. Okay, same thing, find length of longer rope if shorter is 9.8 meter. So same formula, length of longer rope is to length of shorter rope is to 7:5. So length of longer rope I have to find out is to length of shorter rope. So 9.8 is equal to 7:5. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So this multiplied by this is equal to this multiplied by this. You can see it here. Keep length of longer rope is equal to, this is multiplied by 5. So when it shift to when it transpose to RHS, it's become divided by 5. Okay. So 9.8 multiplied by 7 divided by 5, 68. So this multiplied by this gives you 68.6 upon 5. So divided, you will get 13.72 meters. Okay. So in this video, this is enough, and try to solve exercise 12C as soon as possible, because if you are not understanding anything, if you are not understanding any of the question, please give clearly, like exercise, which exercise and which question number, all these things. Okay, so clear your doubts and start preparing. Keep updating your notebooks for first unit test. Okay, syllabus has already been given. Please start studying seriously. Okay, take care.